The second principle is immersion, the ability to be fully present and locked into the present moment. Think about it like this. You have awareness plus focus plus commitment equals immersion. Immersion is totally being in the present moment, being exactly where your feet are, thinking what's important now, this moment right here. It's all I have. I am immersed in this moment. And I'm using my spotlight of attention like a flashlight, and the flashlight is solely on the present moment. I am immersed in this moment. The best in the world at whatever they do, are immersed, totally, fully present and locked into the present moment because of awareness, because of focus, because of commitment. You put all three of those together, you are aware, you're totally focused using that spotlight of attention, that flashlight of attention on what's most important now, and you're fully committed to being there, then you are immersed. The greats have mastered the art of blocking out distractions and staying laser focused on what matters. Constantly asking yourself this question of what's important now. That's the definition of win. If you are fully in the present moment, if you are exactly where your feet are, then you're winning. The outcome doesn't matter because we can't focus on that. It constricts us. It doesn't allow us to play loose and free. So if we think of the new definition of winning, especially if you're not in sport, if you're just in your life, the new definition of winning is being in the present moment. And so we can think, if I win, I'm thinking about what's important now. So I'm right here having this conversation, being with this, doing this. I'm exactly where my feet are. And we can do this through like a 3-step process. You cue your conviction. So what do you want to happen? Cue your conviction. And then you take a deep breath. So you center yourself and then you put your spotlight of attention. So if you think what's important now, then you go through those 3 steps of cue your conviction, take a deep breath, and then put your spotlight of attention. It's the same thing of awareness, focus, commitment. It's just actually 3 steps you can actually do. You cue your conviction. What do you want to happen? Okay, great. I'm taking a deep breath. Remember, when we breathe, we want to breathe into the diaphragm, into the nose, expand that belly, and then push everything out. And then we have a spotlight of attention. Where's our flashlight going? What are we laser focusing on? Because that's what's most important now. And so, again, the second principle is going to be immersion, or being fully locked in to the present moment. Thank you very much for tuning into that clip. If you enjoyed it, then you'll love the full-length episode right here. Right here. Click it. Go ahead.